right now on Fox 5 News at 10.
All right, whether you work or play outdoors, years in the sun, of course, can take a real toll on your skin. Well, now a new treatment is being used that can turn back the hands of time. Dr. Sapna Parikh shows us how it works.
I've spent every summer for probably the past 30 summers out on the water doing boating, fishing, those sorts of activities.
Caitlin McNally has been a sun worshiper all her life, and she's paid for it.
I was getting crepey around my forehead area, my chin area, my cheeks. Lots of spots.
At 44, she also noticed the early signs of aging.
Just a general aging and sagging in my skin.
Hi, how are you?
Caitlin wanted to undo some of that damage and look years younger, so she tried the Portrait PSR. It's a device that uses heated plasma nitrogen technology to help rejuvenate the skin. Cameras from the Fox Morning Show with Mike and Juliet were there when she got her treatment.
I would say that my skin has been turned back 10 or 15 years.
Dr. Doris, a dermatologist in Manhattan, says other treatments, such as lasers, chemical peels, and dermabrasions, remove the top layers of skin, which can leave you at risk for infection. The Portrait PSR is different. It works from the inside out.
With the Portrait, you actually go deeper and you leave the upper layers intact. So the skin serves as its own biological wound dressing. And as they're ready to, and they're ready to be exposed, the upper layers then peel off, which is about day 3, 4, and 5. And then your beautiful new skin is exposed. The areas where I see the greatest improvements are really in the central cheeks.
The procedure takes about 30 minutes, but be prepared. It may take about a week before you want to be seen in public.
I've noticed a general tightening in my skin. A lot of the crepiness has gone and a lot of the spots.
And Dr. Day says it's not just a device that may help turn back the hands of time. The technology might also help in the fight against skin cancer.
We're actually removing some of that damage, which may make some of that pre-cancer or those cancers that were along the way, we might erase those before they even come out.
Keep in mind, this is not a facelift, and the results will vary from person to person. Dr. Day says overall the risks are minimal, but there is a small chance of scarring. And then there's the cost. The Portrait PSR starts at about $2,500. I'm Dr. Sapna Parikh, Fox 5 News.